So, you want to know how to create custom letters in Inkscape? Well, step one, go ahead and figure out who you're writing to. Then go ahead and type, "Dear best friend." You mean that? You didn't mean that kind of letter? You meant like A B C D E F G? Oh, I thought you wanted to write a letter like, "Hey, how you been? What's been going on? I'm in Cancun. Where are you? You know?" Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai. Today we're back once again taking a look at how to make custom letters in Inkscape, like I said. So we're gonna go ahead and get started today. This is super easy to do and it's really fun to do as well. You can use this for like logos or for icons or just for letters. Maybe you're just creating your own custom letter. I don't know, but I use this mainly for logos, obviously for font types or whatever, what have you. Big giant logos with cool, bubbly, fun, like kind of inspired lettering. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead, and the first thing we're gonna do is use this tool right here called the Bezier Tool, which is by default the B key on your keyboard. Or you can just click this bad boy right here. I'm think I'm gonna make the letter R today. So let's go ahead and you might not have this stuff on the side. If you don't worry about it. We'll actually close that all for now. I won't actually even use that. So let's get that out of the way for now. So let's go ahead, grab this tool, and let's just get some shapes down. So the first thing you want to do is just get down as many shapes as you think you're going to use. So for instance, I think I want this to have a little piece on the R right there like that, and then come in, and then go down, and then come out. And we don't have to worry about making things round or making things curved or anything like that. We're just gonna go ahead and get these shapes down. So there we go, something like that. This is the piece that's gonna come out like this, like a whoop, like that. So we're just gonna click about. We might have. We'll click about right here. Click about right here. And then we'll just close it off right there. There we go. Nice. So you can see we basically have a couple things we need to round out. Not too many things actually, just really one thing. Let's go ahead and grab the curves edit paths tool. So up here, it's this button right here. And we just grab this piece and then just pull it on out. You can see until it takes the shape that we really want it to take. As you can see, it's looking pretty good, like that, I suppose. It's looking kind of long actually. Maybe a little bit. So let's go ahead and go back, grab this entire piece, and then just hold down shift, grab all these on the other side here, and just kind of maybe move them in a little bit, because it is looking kind of long and I don't like that. So the entire letter, I mean, looking kind of long. So let's grab maybe these two pieces, pull this out. Oh, nope, missed. There we go. Pull it out a little bit, maybe make it a little thicker like that. There you go. Nice. Cool. And then I think maybe this leg is too big now, so hold on shift, grab drag a box over top of both of these, and then we'll just move that in about there. There we go, and I think it looks pretty good. Now we could round out this little piece right here. We could round this piece out, but I don't really want to do that. I'm kind of gonna leave them straight like that. I think it looks kind of cool. So let's go ahead and take this to the next step, which maybe this little piece right here is a little too skinny. And maybe this piece up here is a little too curved. There we go. I'm trying to make sure that this piece is as straight as is possible right here. But it is a little bit hard. So we'll go ahead and get that right there. Nice. Now, we can go ahead and you see I've kind of turned my camera a little bit on accident. So we can fix that really easily by going ahead. And go to, I believe it's view, orientation, and then reset rotation. So now our camera's back the way that it's supposed to be. Now this is a really skinny line and it's not really filled in, and we don't have the little centerpiece cut out. So let's do a couple of things here. Let's go up to object and make sure fill and stroke is available and it is up right now. So that's the piece that we have on the side, which is what we need. Let's go ahead and go to fill and make this flat color. And as you can see, that'll fill in with a black color there, or whatever color that you have selected that's down here. You can change the color. We're gonna leave it black for now. But you can see there's an outline. So before we do that, let's go ahead and actually get rid of this outline by going to stroke and then changing this to the X. There we go. Now the outline is gone. Go back to fill, and then we can change the color back to solid black. Nice. With this done, we now have a solid R, but I want to go ahead and I don't think I like the way this is like coming out like this actually. I think it might look a little bit better if it was like that. Maybe. Okay. Yeah, and then maybe we'll move this piece up. Move this piece up so it's a little bit more uniform. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. That looks pretty cool. Now, with that completed, let's go ahead and create the little D that's in the center of the R. Let's go ahead and just use the same thing, but we'll go ahead and just make a little D shape. We'll put some... we'll do like this. We'll just click once down here, and then we'll go straight back up to that line. Click once there again, so we just made a line. And then we'll go and grab this edit paths tool, and then just pull that piece out like that. Pull it up a little bit, pull it down a little bit, pull it up a little bit until it's the shape that I want, which is about that shape. Hit the little cursor icon there, so you can go back to the cursor, so we can click and drag this. Change the fill type to flat color, and then change it to make like a white, so we can see what we're doing. Moving on top of the letter, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. I think maybe a little bit smaller. Maybe. No, it's fine. It's fine before. We'll leave it like that. And now the way we fix this, and the way we make it actually like a hole there instead of it being white, is we go ahead and click and drag a box over top of the R and over top of the little piece we want to cut out. Go to I believe it is objects, and then wait, no, not object, sorry, path, and then go to difference. And as you can see, it just cuts that piece out, and then that is now transparent behind there. So now there's actually a hole there. If we make a box and fill it in with something like this, and then move it to the bottom, you can see that that is now a hole that you can see through, which is very, very cool. So that's how you do that. Now, of course, you can do the same thing with a bunch of different other letters as well. So you can make like an I like this, you know, and then you can fill this in, change the stroke to none, and then you like make a little circle, you know, and you can see how you can do some really, really cool things in Inkscape with some custom letters. So that is pretty much it for today. As you can see, these are our nice little letters here. You can keep doing this forever. Literally, like I said, it's so nice and so easy to do. But yeah, hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.